Hello, guys. Good morning. Dave Santarelli here from Santarelli Trading Exchange, BreakingChartAlerts.com, and Stock Options Trading Academy. Yesterday, you guys saw we had some members at new account highs, tripled their account, $70,000 profits from some of them. Now, today, guys, we have that Tesla trade. Let me pull that up here. I don't know why that came up. Tesla. Max net gains, $989.08 a share. We're still climbing on Tesla. We should be able to see $1,000 easily on that today. We have the Tesla June 12th, $985.990 vertical bull call spread that we paid 90 cents a contract for. That 90 cents max it can be worth is $5. That's 5, divide that by 0.9. That's a max net gain of 456%. On that trade there. So that Tesla trade is going to make us nearly a 500% return on that trade. Now, we also have a Netflix spread for those of you that remember. Let's take a look at Netflix over here. We have the Netflix, let me see here. We have the Netflix 425, 430 vertical bull call spread. Again, for this week's Expo, that's going to have max net gain. We paid, let's see, 410.48 minus 7.63. So we paid $285 a contract for that to be worth $5. That's a max net gain of 5. Divide that by 2.85. That's a max net gain of 75.44% on Netflix. Google, we have a spread on Google as well. Let's take a look up here. Google, it's at $14.67 a share. We have the $14.65, $14.70 vertical bull spread. We only paid, let's see, 24.66 minus 22.26. We paid $2.04 for that to be worth 5. 5, divide that by 2.4. That's a max net gain on our Google spread of 108.33%, as long as Google is above 1470 by June 19th. That's next week's Expo. I didn't think it was going to have that big of a climb that quick, so I got next week's Expo on that one. So that one's going to be great as well. McDonald's, 3M. Let's take a look at those quick. MCD, getting a nice little pop here in the pre-market. It's up about 13 cents, not too much. 3M's up about 40 cents now at 167. That's looking good. DKNG, DraftKings. Look at that bounce off that 10-day simple moving average on DraftKings. What a nice pop there. Trade plan to perfection. Looking good on that one. Groupon, let's see. We got some Groupon yesterday. Groupon is also up 1 cent today. Guys, it's looking to be a really incredible day today. I'm really glad to see the open. Another one here, guys. Facebook, we have the Facebook June 19, 235 strike call. Facebook is taking off, up 1% already here in the pre-market hour, 241.04. I think we should be able to easily see 245, 250 on that by this week. We're going to be taking in some massive gains on Facebook. We're already up 13% on that. Going to be up much more on that today. Guys, looking to be a great day. So let's get started here. Let's make some money, and let's see what else we could do here.
We have the Fed meeting at 2.
Fed meeting is at 2. Yeah, thank you for bringing that up.
Let's see how our banks do.
Okay, so now what I'm going to do, what time is it, 9:29? Let's see. Tesla, let me see, buy to close, sell to close. I just want to see what it's going for here on open. Groupon's doing a reverse stock split.
20-1?
Is it? Yeah. Wow. Tesla is June 12th. Guys, opening bell here in a second. Let's see, 985.990. Here we go, guys. Opening bell. Let's see here. Wow, she's still going. Up 4,000 now for the day. 6,000 now for the day. There goes Google. Netflix is taking off. Facebook trades up 30%. Order status is live for Facebook. I'm going to change that here. That's pending. I just sold Facebook 8.70. Okay. Let's see now. What else do we want to do? Tesla is at... I just want to get rid of that for 2.5. Lock in those profits.
What is that?
It's not feeling the Tesla spread. Too wide of a bit in a nest there. I'll leave that open. I'm not going any lower on that. That's a nice setup there. Let's see here. Netflix now. NFLX. Let's see. What do we have? The June 12th.
28% on the Facebook.
Nice. 28% gain on Facebook. Just sold our Netflix spread. Let me see. 16.1 minus 12.4. We're out at 3.7. What is Tesla doing here? Back to 992. I want that Tesla spread to sell there. That's going to be a big gain. Let's see. What do I have that in for? 250. I can make an... I can't sell that for 250. The least I'll sell that for is 3.
Netflix was 30%.
Netflix was 30%? Nice. Work is taking a nice little pop today. Nice little climb. Okay, we're still in Google. We're still in Tesla. Visa and Facebook need to start to run here. Facebook pulled back down to 238. We locked in profits. Perfect timing on that Facebook trade. Pulled right back. I really do want to get rid of that Tesla, though. I don't want to let those profits dissipate there, you know?
Oh, really?
Just sold out of Tesla.
What?
22.3 minus 20.27. $2.03. Well, I ended up closing Tesla for 2.03. I was in at 90 cents. 2.03, divide that by zero point 0.9. That's a gain of 126%. So not bad.
Not bad.
I much would rather that 456%, but you know, it looks like it's pulling back from the highs there. I don't want to take that risk of losing that gain. So I locked that in, and we are now in the profit. As you guys can see in the top right now, just locking in those trades. Now we're already up. We're up $2,498.12. I already realized profits in the first 8 minutes. It's not bad.
Nah, you could do better.
Yeah, I should be doing better than that. $2,500 in 8 minutes.
Come on, man.
Let me see here. Let me see, guys. I'm going to take a picture here for you. Here is the gains for today. Here's the trades we closed out. I don't know why that goes so small when I bring up that. Let me go over to performance and value. Nice. I think June's going to be one of our biggest months from what I'm looking at so far.
June is usually our biggest month.
Yeah, I was talking to you about that, wasn't I? Yeah. No, no food for me, just coffee I got. Google's still popping here. We still have our Google spread open. That's looking good. Thank you, brother. Oh, Tesla back at 992. Smells like McDonald's, doesn't it? Did they remember your sriracha? Did they? Oh, nice. Guys, Google is still on the climb up. $15, 1% here. I'm waiting for Visa to take off. Our Visa trade's not doing squat yet. We have the 200 strike call, though. That could easily get to 205, 210. So not worried about Visa. Google trades great. Let's see here. MCD down another 300 on MCD today. Down 57% on the MCD trade so far. That's for the June 12th Expo. Gonna have to do something with that today. It'll get picked up 6 tomorrow morning, the regular garbage. Tonight. Guys, Tesla 996 there. Still continuing to climb. Google's still on the climb here. Looking good. I want to see that Visa take off here. MCD's not doing too much yet, down $1.45. But it's still holding that 10 there. It's just not going to be enough time for this week's Expo, I don't think. So we're probably going to have to close out that MCD trade by the end of today. Work is getting a nice little pop there. Take a look at Work WRK. There goes Facebook again. Another climb on Facebook. Work. Take a look at Work, guys. Right down to that 50. Right down to support at 30. Now she's getting a nice climb there. This might be... Do you remember... You were a member when we were doing hook patterns, right? Ephraim?
Yes.
Do you remember our hook pattern setups? You do? Work is looking like a nice hook pattern. We have a nice drop from 40 all the way down to 30. We have base support. So this is how a hook pattern works, guys. Let me show you guys this quick. For those of you that are in the work trade, this is looking like a perfect setup here for a hook pattern. So a hook pattern, let me zoom in a little bit here. I'll show you guys. Okay, so here's work, right? Let me zoom out a little bit. There we go. So with work, this is what we have, right? So we have a 40. That's resistance. And then we have the hook. We have a big drop. We have the baseline at 30. And now we're starting to get that hook. So this is called a hook pattern. So this is a hook pattern on work. So now what you usually do here, you usually add. So we're in a work trade for October. I'm probably going to be adding to this trade and looking for that first candle above that blue 50 or blue 20, I'm sorry. So this is what I'm going to be looking for with Slack work. You know, that's what you're looking for with that hook pattern. You're looking for that big drop, base at 30. So 30 is our base support. And now we're going to look for that hook higher here. So work is looking like a perfect example of a nice hook pattern here. We got to keep our eye on that. That's going to be a nice setup there. And I'm going to be adding to that work trade soon. I like that setup. Let's see. Visa still wants to climb. It's up 10% today. DraftKings up about 7%. Groupon's down 20%. Let's see. Havis says, Dexter said, would you get into Visa now if you don't already have a position? I would, where was that? Visa, yeah. I'd look for the July Expo. 200 strike call for July Expo on Visa. Eddie Santos said he made $2,495 on the Tesla call he bought yesterday. Nice job, Eddie. Nice job, Havis. Look at Havis. He made $7,646.49 on Tesla.
Nice.
Just made that trade yesterday. I don't think Groupon's going to hurt negatively from that reverse split. I think it's stupid they're doing that reverse split, but that's really silly. Really silly they're doing that split. Avilio said he made $3,000 realized profit already today.
Yo, ask Billy how much he's up this week.
Avilio, how much you up this week?
He's having a hell of a week. Just started.
Eddie said he bought him for 6. He sold him for 20.30. Wow, Avilio said since Friday, less than a week, he made $19,419.33.
Ask him how much he made since the training.
Yeah, well, when was the training? Last week?
Thursday?
Thursday? Yeah, that's probably since the training. Nice job, Avilio. Great job.
Just started.
Yeah, that's amazing, Avilio. That's huge. And this is the team we got. Everyone congratulating each other. It's amazing. Mackenzie, we're in Orlando, but if you want to meet in Miami, we could. That's fine too. We like taking trips down there. I think Avilio's down there too, right? Yeah, Avilio and I did it remotely. Captain Thomas says you guys are rocking it. Nice job. Vincenzo, Captain Thomas, Colin, every one of them here. All of them. Amazing team players. I locked in some nice profits today. Now what I'm going to do, guys, is sit back and wait because I know we're going to have, we're probably going to have a nice little pullback there. So be ready. Visa wants to climb here. It's not doing shit yet, though. It wants to. It needs to break above that 200.43 to have that really nice run that we want it to have. Accounts at new all-time highs again today, so looking good. Okay, Elias says JD. Well, guys, whatever you guys wanted to look at. I know someone was talking about something else there, too. If you guys want me to look at any charts, let me know. JD looks okay. It's up 2.21%. I would take profits on that, Elias, if it fails to break above the candle here on 6.8. If it fails to break above 60.35. I know you have a trade on JD, don't you? So I'd just lock in those profits. Let's see there. Kevin, Elias. Elias says he's up over 100% on JD. Remember we went over that with him yesterday too? 100% on that since last night. Elias, I'd lock that in. Nice job on that, though. I mean, that looks like it definitely has more room to run, but I'd lock in those profits. Let's see. They're talking about AMD. Let's see. Wow, AMD is up 3.5%, 58.32 a share.
We pulled up AMD yesterday.
Yep, we did. We said that looked like a good entry. I didn't get into it because I was long a lot of things. Visa's breaking down a little bit here. You guys stayed in the Hertz trade? We sold out of Hertz. What's Hertz at now? Hertz had a big pullback there. I'm not going to be jumping into Hertz no more, huh?
I'm looking at it now. I'm glad I got out of it yesterday.
I know.
Do you think it'd be a good spot to?
She has support at 250, but there's a lot of negative things coming in from CNBC on it, so I just hold off on it for a little bit now. Wait until you see that first green candle on it. Skyjack just said he made $6,500 on Tesla, and he's still holding on. We're not in Disney there. Who said about that? Jonathan123. We're not in Disney. Getting a nice little pop there on Visa. Want to see that start to take off. Work's still on the climb, up 3.13%. Waiting for McDonald's to start to climb here as well. Locked in some nice gains. Now it's just patiently waiting for those next trades to take off here. And if we see some good setups, we're going to be making some new trades here. Visa's between that 10-20, starting to break above that 20. I want to see that for that next climb there on Visa. Watching that. Guys, you guys find anything good here? I'm looking at my other screen here over to the left. You guys can't see it on this screen here, but over to the left, I'm doing a scan, searching for some things. NVIDIA. You guys see NVIDIA? NVIDIA is rocketing higher here. Let's see, NVIDIA. Man, I'd love to jump into NVIDIA for a day trade. That looks like that's going to 400, no question. I know. I'm so pissed I didn't get into it yesterday. NVIDIA with that climb there, not that candle, that was our entry. I should have freaking got in. And I said that yesterday. I'm like, guys, this looks like a nice entry for NVIDIA. And look at it, it's up over 3.5% today. $12.50. But, you know, like I couldn't have added to more of my trades. Let's see here. So June 11th is their reverse stock split. I don't like the sound of that. Yeah. What's that? It's got earnings coming up, though. You know, I really like that.
I'm at 40% loss. Why not? Close to it. Close to your max. 38.99. Usually you should do about 50% loss. That's the comfortable. That's the uncomfortable. Take it out. You know what I mean? Now we're gonna pan out a little. We got different spreads. All three other ones pan out. This one is 126, 30, 30. Do that. 50, 200% minus 50. That's how you gotta do it. No, cut your losses. Cut it. Jump on it.
NVIDIA is still climbing. Should I do something with NVIDIA? I don't think it's going to drop. I should do something with it. I'm going to do something with it. I know, right? I should have got into that yesterday, but it's not too late. It's never too late. Let's see, 75, 85, 95. I'm thinking about getting the June 19th 375 call. It's only $1,100. I'll get a single contract for it. See how it works out, pans out here. June 19th, do the 375. That's going for about 11. Get it for 1150. Buy to open. I'm just going to do one single contract there. All right, I'm in one contract. Of the NVIDIA June 19th 375 strike, I'm in at 11.50. I think that one's going to be reaching for that 400 area, so that my target's going to be 400. My stop is going to be, are you listening to me? My stop is going to be 360. 360 stop, target 400. We're looking for a quick 50 to 100% on that trade. Already up 1.5% on it. 2%. Already up 6% on our NVIDIA trade, guys. 7% gain on NVIDIA now. Quick $100. Still holding on to Visa for next week's Expo, Jesus. Jesus. Captain Thomas says, Dave, check out ABV for me. ABBV. Wow, NVIDIA trade's already up 9%. Oh, AbbVie looks great there, Captain Thomas. $100 easy target on AbbVie there. I like that chart on AbbVie. I think that's going to have a nice climb here going into this week. If you wanted AbbVie, I'd be looking at the June 19th. You could do this week if you wanted to. Yeah, that's pretty expensive for this week. I would do next week's Expo. I'd do the honestly, I would do the 100 strike call for $1.10 a contract for the June 19th Expo. That means at 102 you have a 100% return. If it climbs to 100 by tomorrow, you're going to be up 50% on that trade. I like that. So you'd go call. Expiration, it'd be June 19th. You'd pick up the 100 strike call, and you would do a limit order of 1.15. That's what she's going to be going for right about now. 1.15, 10 contracts, going to cost around 115. Cap, you know what? I'll jump in that with you. It's at resistance right now, so if it fails at this resistance, I'd be out of that trade. But I like that setup. It looks good. If you wanted to pick up 10 contracts there, it's going to cost you $1,150. The current bid now is $1.15. Ask is $1.19. She's still climbing higher. So if you wanted to pick that up, that's what I'd be looking for. This is going to be now at about $1.20. You're going to have to put in an order for $1.18, $1.19. But that's a nice setup right there, Captain. Nice one. I'm probably going to be kicking myself in the butt for not picking that up tomorrow as well. But I'm looking for that next setup right now. So there they are now. You hear them out there? They're late today. Let's see. Shevin says Microsoft is hot. We were talking about that yesterday. Remember, guys? when we were watching here. I said Microsoft. Efren said,
you wanna
Efren's like, oh, you haven't traded that in a while. This is going to $200. Microsoft is a nice trade I'll get into. All right, I'm going to get into Microsoft. I'm going to go with the June 19th. Should I go with the July 17th? Let's see what that's going for. I'll do the June 19th on Microsoft here. What's the 195s going for? Okay, guys, I'm in Microsoft. June 19th, 195 calls. I'm in at $2.99 a contract. Here's the order status. Target on Microsoft is going to be 200. Our stop is going to be 190. Max stop loss on Microsoft is going to be 40%. Anything more than a 40%, exit out of that trade. So I'm even more detail there. Either 190, 40%, two ways they're cutting it. We could even make that stop percentage-wise 30% max stop. Yeah, because if Microsoft pulls back 30, she's not doing anything from in the next week. Because you got to remember, we have next week's expo, so looks good. Happy with that trade. Elias, the Microsoft trade is right here. We bought the June 19th 195 call, and we are in that at, I think, 299. 299 or 298, I said. Make sure. I didn't want to do anything less than the June 19th expo. I wanted to go with the July, but that was a little bit more premium there. Google's still taking off, guys. She's above 1470 now. Max gains on the Google trade. Do we still have that? Yeah, we still have the Google trade for next week's expo. That's looking good. That Visa, man, I want to see that Visa start to move there. Let's see if Visa can start that climb. Bottom right there. I'm watching that Visa. See if we can get a candle above that 1020. Looking for that next run. Guys, I'm making a quick call with the text alert company here, seeing why these texts aren't going out. The app alerts are going out. So if you don't have the app is free on Google. What is it? Google Play Store or whatever the heck it's called. App Store, and then the Apple App Store. So download the app there, and the notifications get sent out instantly on the app. You get a nice notification there. But just on the phone now with the text alert company, seeing why these texts aren't going out. They did something with the API, I think. So just give me a second here. But make sure you download the app. It's free if you have membership. Guys, our NVIDIA trade's up 11%. Microsoft trade's up 3%. Two trades we made today are looking great. Yeah, guys, we're just figuring out this text alert issue. I think we got it fixed, but I'm making sure there's not an issue like this again. Hate when there's issues like that, so I'll make sure it doesn't happen again on my end. Amazon 2661 up 2.3%. That one's going to 2700 this week. I think I'm going to be doing an Amazon trade here in the afternoon session. I think I'm going to be doing a deep out of the money spread on Amazon, looking for that 2800 target next week. Tesla at $1,006, guys. Wow, unbelievable move on Tesla. Guys, our NVIDIA trade's up 20%. 20% gain on our NVIDIA trade already. She's taking off here as well. Let's put NVIDIA on top. How many of you guys got in the NVIDIA trade so I know? Any of you get in the NVIDIA trade? Let me see in the trade room. Avilio said he's in NVIDIA. NVIDIA was a little bit more expensive one, so that's why I'm asking that. NVIDIA we paid $1,150 a contract for. We're already up $300 on that trade, though. Cullen is not in NVIDIA. Bob Logan again, says in and out of NVIDIA a fast $400. Nice job there, Bob Logan. NVIDIA is still on the run. Still on the climb. We now have a 21% gain on NVIDIA. Loving that. Now I want to see these other things start to pop here, like Groupon and McDonald's would be nice. Visa's getting a nice little pop there. We're up $400 on the day for Visa. Looking for that continued run there. It's holding that 200 area pretty well. Tesla at $1,007. Should have held on to those that spread. NVIDIA trade now up 22%. Microsoft trade now up 5%. $500 gain on those two trades there alone we just made about an hour ago, if that. Nice climb here. Love what I'm seeing, guys. NVIDIA trade now up 25%. Jerry Stafford says she's in and out of NVIDIA. Nvidia's still on the run, guys. Guys, Tesla's at $1,010 now. Anyone still holding on to Tesla? Our Nvidia trade now up 26%, 27%, Microsoft 5%. We are on fire, guys. Every trade we're making is doing incredible. Look at Tesla now, 10.11 a share. What a nice move there. Nvidia trade up 27%. Kevin Johnson says he's still in Tesla. JS Buyer said just sold my Tesla spread. Buyer, what did you get on the Tesla spread? MCD is struggling. Yes, it is. It needs to have that pop. We're probably going to be selling that for a loss. Oh, Buyer got 305 a contract for Tesla. Buyer, that's a nice price there. I still should have held that longer. That would have been worth $5. What did I get out of Tesla for? 2.3? 2.05, right? 2.03. Would have made an extra grand if I held on to that a little bit longer, like JS Buyer did. Sold a little early. Oh, Kevin Cullen says he's not in NVIDIA. He says now he's going to find a wall to bang his head into. I know, Kevin. Usually you jump in on those with us. Buyer was going for 4, decided not to get greedy. Hey, Buyer, you got over a 200% gain on that, so that's not bad. Not bad. 200% gain, I'll take that all day. I love making money like this. Amazing. And that's what I mean. You know, we're waiting for this pop. We got it. We took advantage of it. You see how members tripled, quadrupled their accounts in a really short period of time. Now, when the market does start to pull back, you got to sit back there. You got to be patient and disciplined. You don't always have a time frame to jump in the market every single day. You know, when you see that move, you jump in, you take advantage of it 100%. But, you know, once things start to slow down or you get a shift from one cycle to the next cycle, that's when you got to sit back and wait for that next cycle to happen. And then you could go with the flow with that. Either calls if it's in breakout momentum, puts if it's in BDM. So. Vinny, you should be up for the day on V. Let me see V. Alrighty, so let's Amazon just did a weird thing. Yeah, it's up 2.5%. I want to do Jerry, you know how we did that trade on Tesla there? I want to do the same type of thing with Amazon. I think I could do a really nice setup on Amazon. Something like, let me see here. Before we get off air here for 11, let me see. I'll give you guys what I'm going to be looking for in the afternoon here with Amazon. Or maybe I'll just make it now. You know what? I probably should just pick up some regular calls on it for June 19th. So here, this is where it becomes important to look at your delta when you're paying a good premium for an option here. So 2660, 2700 is only going for about, it's not too bad there. Delta 10. I think I can make a quick gain on Amazon. I'm debating if I want to go with the spread. Let's see what that's going for. 2780, 27. That'd be an easy. So this spread from 2780 to 2800 is 20 points, right? So if it's only going for 290 now, 20, divide that by 2.85. That's a max net gain of 600.2%. So do I want to go with that 602%er if it gets up to that 2800, or do I just want to pick up something like the 2700 straight call? And then obviously I'd need a bigger run for that to make some money. I like this one. Net debit, I'll put in for 3.00. I'll pick up 10 contracts for the June 19th Expo. Let's see if it gets filled for 3.05. She's still breaking a little bit lower here. Let me just see. I want to see if it holds at 50. All right, I'm filled on that. Amazon, 2780, 2800 vertical spread. I'm in at, let me see, 18.24 minus 15.32. I'm in for $2.92. $2.92. Our target's going to be 2800. Our stop is going to be 2600. Max net gain on this trade is going to be 585% with Amazon at or above 2800 on Expo. So nearly a 600. This is just a trade just like Tesla, same risk involved. It's a higher risk trade, but if we have that continued breakout momentum on Amazon, we're going to have about a 600% gain on that trade. So same type of deal as we had with the Tesla trade. Amazon's going to be for next week's Expo, 2780, 2800 vertical bull call spread. We're in at $2 and what did I say, 93 cents, 92 cents. $2.92 was only. So if you only got one contract like this, if you just put in one and one, it's only going to cost you $292 to be worth $2,000. That's not bad there. $292 to be worth $2,000, as long as Amazon's at or above 2,800. But we're going to probably do the same type of deal like we did with Tesla. If we get another 2% pop tomorrow or anytime this week, probably going to lock in a quick 200% gain on this Amazon spread. So that's what I'm looking to do there, guys. It is now 11 p.m., so I'm going to get off here. I got a class at 11, and then I'm going to be back here with you guys. So if you guys need anything, please let me know, and we'll be in the trade room for you guys. Alrighty, guys, take care. Have a great day. And if you guys are not with us yet, make sure you guys come sign up with us. Go to www.breakingchartalerts.com, and you guys could sign up. Join now. You guys could join us in the live trade room, and then in the afternoon right here, you could click here for the afternoon pro trader session. So you guys could go to join now. If you guys are signing up for the yearly membership, you could use promo code REOPEN. Instead of $2,500 for the year, it'll bring it down to $1,875. Promo code right up here, REOPEN. That'll save you 25% off the yearly membership right there. So it'll be $1,875. This one includes 2 getting started classes once you sign up for the Pro Trader Elite membership. Once you sign up for that, you'll get a class with Efren there, getting your charts and everything set up in your brokerage account, anything you need help with getting started, and then you'll have a class with me going over the trade plan. So sign up, guys, if you guys are interested, and we'll be in the trade room. And if you guys need anything, you guys can go to our Facebook page, Breaking Chart Alerts, and shoot us a message there as well. Alrighty, guys, hope you guys had a great day, great start to the week. Let's see what we're up for the week so far here. Let me see. What is today's date? The 10th. So let's see here. Let's go to portfolios. Gains and losses. And let's see here. So the 8th to the 10th. Look at that, guys. Here you go, right here. So from 6/8, which was Monday, to 6/10, we made a realized profit of $5,569.51. Here's all the trades that we closed, and there's the profits for them. And the ones that you see minus next to, -2, -4, -4, those ones we want to see losses on. That's not real losses. Those are part of a spread. So that spread, the entry and exit, we still had a gain over those. So on those types of trades, you want to see that loss on the -4, the -2, -4, -5, -5. The ones that are long, we want to see those nice gains on. And that's exactly what we did. So as you guys can see here, there is not a single losing trade on this week that was closed yet. So nice job. We're looking for those other trades to continue to run here. NVIDIA trade's still up 10%. Microsoft trade's down about 8% right now. And the Amazon trade, we're going to see that continue to pop there. So great job today, guys. And I will see you guys in the trade room and then again at 2 p.m. So good job, guys. And we got that text alert thing situated, I think. We just need a little bit more help from you guys. We're going to transfer over the service to this new text alert company. So sounds good, guys. I will see you guys in the trade room. Alrighty, have a good one, guys. Great job. Please give the video on YouTube here a thumbs up. Give it a like for us. I'd really appreciate that. Thank you, guys. Please go to YouTube quick and give that a thumbs up. Share it on social media. I'd appreciate it. Alrighty, guys. Take care. Bye-bye.